What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Perez's Corner. Today we got a quick update. A subscriber wanted to know about some good wheel locks that they could get for their 2015, 2014, 2016, 17, and I believe 2019 Volkswagen Passat. So I took it upon my liberty here because I needed to go out and purchase some. So I went out and purchased a set of wheel locks from West Houston Volkswagen, which has super awesome customer service, by the way. And the price of them were $77.85, which is a good price considering that you're getting German engineering, aka these cars are manufactured in Mexico. The only ones that are manufactured in Germany are the R lines. So if you're not buying an R line, Golf R line, and all of the higher top tier models, then your car is made pretty much in Mexico in their plant. I guess they're doing that to cut down on costs. I don't know, but I don't get into the politics. I just like the brand, which is Volkswagen. So this is them here, wheel locks, and as you can see here, wheel locks, got a little bit of German on there. And then the back here, you got some Russian, some German, and you can see the model, no expiration date. And it tells you right here, made in Italy, and distributed by Volkswagen AG in Wolfsburg, Germany, Volkswagen.com. You can also pick these up. So let's take a look here and see what we got inside the box. Nice little plastic hard case, super awesome. And here's your model number, just in case you guys can't see it. And you're met with a little bit of literature. Volkswagen and Audi Group, cool beans. And here's your lock nuts. Nothing special here. They're just pretty much standard lock nuts. Anybody seen lock nuts? I don't know who buys them, but this is the lock here. So you replace each one of your lugs on your car, and also comes with the Volkswagen lug nut cover, or lock nut cover, excuse me. And these are pretty much, you can't just put your regular one on here because it won't fit, because this pattern is not hexagonal, which is the one that's default on the car. And this is pretty much it here. You get four, get your little lock nut, lock nut cover remover. That's what this is. You put it in this hole and you just pull back, and that pulls it off, or you can, kind of do that. Can't pull it off when it's on the wheel, but that's what that's for. Get four of them. Same thing here, nothing special. And here you have it here. I'll pop one of these off for you guys. And this is what it looks like. So this is the key that comes to it. It looks a little bit like the Nürburgring. I don't know if that's where they got the pattern from, but that's what that looks like. And I'll put a picture up or a link in the description of what the Nürburgring is. So this little key here fits inside of here. Let me see if I can get it. There you go. So without this key, theoretically, they're hoping that nobody can get your wheel off. But if you're really good, you can get your wheel off. I'm not going to put how and what ways you would do it, because then that's kind of giving a thief that doesn't know the upper hand. So that's it, just a quick unboxing of this kit. Once again, you can get it from your Volkswagen dealership for here it is, $77.58. Once again, thank you for joining Perez's Corner, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or any other questions, please leave them down in the description. And thank you for watching. Perez Corner out.